To turn a teddy bear into a Wookiee, you just need a bandolier. To make the ammunition pouches, take a piece of foam and cut proportionally to the size of the bear. Cover the foam with silver fabric by folding over each side and taping the raw edges in place. I'm using a 4-way stretch pleather fabric. Take brown fabric of choice and measure around the perfect length. Mark with a pen where the ammo pouches need to start and finish. Place the pouches on the bandolier wrong side up and evenly spaced out. Glue them right side down in place. Add brown trim down the middle. Tack down the trim with glue or pins. Tuck the trim ends under the silver pouches. Sew the trim down with matching thread, then sew the edges of the silver pouches. Last step is connecting the ends together, sewing the bandolier into a circle. Grogu now has another playmate from a galaxy far, far away.